Is it time to buy or sell the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we're diving deep into the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of August in 2024, our system has identified the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.14. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a decline of 5.45%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.72% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 10.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.49% to 46.08%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests an 87.44% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 87.44% and 149.24%. This translates to a price range of $409.43 to $544.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF includes the headline, "A very red day for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF price," after a decline of 5.45% in the Friday trading session. The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF price dropped by 5.45% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, falling from $231.01 to $218.43. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.81%, ranging from a low of $214.18 to a high of $222.34. The price has decreased on 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 11.97% during this period. Trading volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 20 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.32 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $283.07, while the lowest price was $136.10. Currently, the price stands 22.84% or $64.64 below the 52-week high and 31.49% or $100.39 below the all-time high reached on November 22, 2021, when the price hit $318.82. Recent developments regarding the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, also known as SMH, suggest a mixed short-term outlook amid a backdrop of volatility in the semiconductor sector. On the 1st of August, it was highlighted as one of the top ETFs to consider, showcasing its appeal as a long-term growth vehicle. This ETF is positioned to benefit from the ongoing expansion in artificial intelligence, particularly in chip demand, which has garnered significant investor interest. However, the semiconductor space is currently navigating challenges, including profit-taking after substantial gains year-to-date and pressures from geopolitical uncertainties, notably surrounding the United States elections and tensions in Ukraine and Gaza. The recent downturn in semiconductor stocks has prompted speculation on whether this correction represents a buying opportunity or a signal to diversify investments. In the short term, SMH may experience further volatility as investors react to market dynamics. This unrest could lead to price fluctuations as traders gauge risk versus reward. Conversely, in the long term, if the artificial intelligence sector continues to thrive and the demand for chips escalates, SMH could capitalize on these trends, reinforcing its potential as a solid investment choice. Investors should closely monitor these developments, as the balance between immediate market reactions and long-term growth prospects will be pivotal in determining SMH's stock price trajectory. The following signals have been identified for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at levels of $234.48 and $258.75. A breakout above any of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024. And since then, the fund has experienced a decline of 22.34%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 176 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund. The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund finds support from accumulated volume at $217.73. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this fund is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $8.16 between its highest and lowest points, which equates to 3.81%. For the previous week, the fund has exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.73%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund is at $231.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund meets its first support level at $217.73. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a price rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund a wise investment? Currently, the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund exhibits several concerning indicators. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that the fund may struggle in the upcoming days or weeks, leading to a negative assessment of its potential performance. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading session, it appears that the current price point is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 5th of August, we anticipate that the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund will open lower, decreasing by approximately 11 cents, with an expected trading price of $218.32. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.